In first lesson, we will create Hello World application with console application. To begin the project, it's simple way. Just click New Project in Start page. Or you can create from menu. Follow this. Click File, New Project. We have many options here. We have template that installed in Visual Studio, like Visual Basic, Visual C#, Visual C++, and more. But we have to choose Visual Basic to create PB project. To create Visual Basic console app, we have to select template and then select Visual Basic, and we have many options. We should be choose console application because we have to create console application. After selected that, we have to rename this project to Hello World. Remember, don't use space in every word. And then click OK. After that, we have starting page on console app. Now, let's see main area. We have some code here in editor text that's already generated but from program. To make Hello World console app in pb.net, we can use console.writeLine. To write code, we should write inside submain. Let's type code with following me. Type console with capital C, dot writeLine, and then opening and closing curly brace. Let's run the app. We see button with star label. Click that. Oh no, nothing. Inside brackets, we have to type double plot. And then let's write in double plot, type Hello World. Let's run again. Oh no, still nothing here. To fix that, let's write console.readline. Let's run again. Yeah, that's good, that's work. And don't forget to save your project. That is first tutorial from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.